Ladies and gentlemen, this is The Startup, the channel for business and entrepreneurship. And today we're going to tackle a question that I'm sure many of you have had at some point in your entrepreneurial journey, and those of you who are just starting out. And that is, should you get funding for your business? And if so, what are the benefits and potential pitfalls? Let's dive in, shall we? What are the benefits of funding? First off, let's talk about the benefits of getting funding for your business. With more money at your disposal, you can expand your operations, hire more employees, and invest in marketing and advertising to get your brand out there.
There should be McDonald's everywhere. Franchise, franchise, franchise.
For example, when Airbnb first started, they received funding from venture capitalists who allowed them to expand their platform and attract more hosts and guests. Another benefit of funding is that it can help you attract top talent to your team. I talk about how to hire top talent in this video over here. With more funding at your disposal, you can pay your staff better, which can help you attract and keep the best employees in your industry. Now let's talk about the potential pitfalls of getting funding for your business. The first thing to keep in mind is that funding is not free money. It comes with strings attached, and usually that means giving up some degree of control over your business. Investors will often want a say in how the business is run, and that can sometimes clash with your vision for the company. For example, when Snapchat went public and received funding from investors, the company's founders lost some control over their vision for the platform. Another disadvantage of getting funding is that it can put a lot of pressure on you to perform. When you take on funding, investors are looking for a return on their investment, which means that they will expect your business to grow and generate revenue quickly. And if you're not able to deliver on those expectations, it can lead to strained relationships and even a loss of funding.
$50 billion in value to basically worthless in just 6 weeks.
One real life example of this is the downfall of WeWork, a co-working company that received billions in funding, but ultimately failed to generate enough revenue to justify its valuation. So, should you get funding for your business? The answer is, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as every business is unique. Here's a few things to consider when making your decision. First, think about your long-term goals for the business. If you're looking to build a sustainable business that generates consistent profit over time, then taking on a lot of funding might not be the best strategy. On the other hand, if you're looking to grow quickly and aggressively, then funding can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. Another consideration is the type of business that you're running. Some businesses require more upfront capital to get started than others. For example, if you're starting a manufacturing company, you might need a significant amount of capital to purchase equipment and build out your production line. In that case, funding may be necessary to get your business off the ground. So to conclude, getting funding for your business can be a great way to grow and scale your business, but it's not without its potential pitfalls. It's important to carefully consider your long-term goals, the type of business you're running, and the trade-offs that come with taking on funding before actually making a decision. My personal favorite type of business is a lean and mean cash flow machine, where margins are high and upfront capital is low, so it doesn't need funding if executed correctly, and something that can be scaled to the moon from virtually anywhere. Now, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on entrepreneurship, starting and scaling businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.